was going to show you the difference between the uncured bacon from Sam's Club, which is this one, and the uncured bacon from Costco. They are both turkey bacon. The one from Sam's Club is a 2-pound, 8-ounce package. So it's one package, one big package that I'll end up having to separate into 4 small portions. And then this from Costco is my favorite. It's a 2.5 pound. And it comes in already portioned sections. And I get the same amount out of each package, so that's no different for me. It feeds the same amount. It makes the same amount of meals for us. But I do prefer the one from Costco over Sam's, just because I don't have to go through all the separating and resealing it.